This man is about to transform a 500-year-old tree into something remarkable, a beautiful cutting board. The tree is carefully felled and sectioned into massive chunks. The journey continues in a factory where the rough logs are cut into thinner, manageable slabs. Once removed from the factory, the wood is soaked to soften its dense fibers. With precision, the craftsmen begin marking perfect circles onto the damp wood, setting the stage for the intricate work ahead. But the process isn't over yet. These raw shapes still need to be refined, their edges smooth. Expertly trimming away the excess, molding the rough shapes into sleek, circular boards. After hours of craftsmanship, what was once part of a centuries-old tree has now become a vibrant, deep red cutting board rich with history.